Okay, so I got the box open. Okay, let me see. But yeah, it's a combo heat press machine. This is my little manual. Let me see. I'm trying to think what all came with it. Heat plate, and that ain't it. Okay, looks like you can do plates, hats, sublimation paper with cards. You can do it on cards and cups, glass beer cups, bottles, and let's see what else. All right. Okay, this must be for the hat. Placing it, you know how you have to place the front of your hat on this. Okay, and here go the plates. Comes with the little, connection part. They kind of feel kind of heavy too. I'm gonna take out the plastic so you can see. All right. I guess this is for the little smaller plates. This one's heavy. Alright guys, so I pulled my heat press machine out of the box, which is kind of tough, so you might want to have 2 people with you when you decide to lift it out because it is kind of heavy. But I'm gonna lift it up for you. It's nice. It's just kind of heavy, but the thing about it, I really like it because it's not taking up a whole lot of space. So if you're gonna get a heat press, you want to think about, okay, where I'm gonna set it up at, and is it going to take up a lot of space? All right, guys. So this is how you open it. You see this lever? And you push it down. And you just bring it. You see that? You see how it's pumping up through here? Pay attention. Look. And this also turns 360 degrees all the way around. Bring it back. It's really nice. I just love how it turns like that. But it turns all the way around. So it's pretty cool because I heard that on some machines, if you're not cautious, that you can actually kind of burn yourself due to the fact that you're trying to put your shirt on and off. So by this, you just, move this to the side, put your shirt on your mat, and, just turn it around and then lower it. So yeah guys, so this machine is 12 by 15 inch combo 5-in-1. It's a heat pressing machine, and you can do t-shirts, pattern printing, mugs, hats, and it's a heat transfer digital industrial quality sublimation machine. And like I said, it could turn 360 degree swirl. And the pricing for this machine was $249.99. I did purchase this machine off of Amazon. Okay, this is the bottom piece for making your hats. And this is the top piece. And these are your plates. So if you want to make your dishes, you have to put these plates on here. You would take this off, and then you would hook your plates to the machine and press down. This is for it's pretty big and heavy. So you would absolutely just be careful because it is heavy. But as you can see, you would connect this. Alright guys, so this machine right here is to be connected to your heat pressing machine. This is for your mugs to make your little cups or whatever the case is. And this plug right here. You just connect it to your pressing machine and bow. Like I was saying, guys, it does hats, plates, mugs, pattern printing, shirts, and for $2.49, you cannot beat that to have 5 in 1. I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to have to keep you guys updated about what's going on and how is this working. I have to definitely tell you guys that, because I would hate for you to purchase it and it don't do so good. So we're wishing it well. But number one, thank you so much for tuning in, and please come back and visit.